Clients often ask us at a time when we can't agree on what's fair with the insurance company, what's the next step? The next step is to put it into suit, into litigation. Then the next question is, how much should I sue for? How much should I sue for actually varies, and there is a distinction when you look at it, because we have to decide which court to put it in. In other words, district court, if it's a smaller case, we can sue for $15,000 or $30,000. $15,000 basically means it'll stay in the district court. We can submit documents for the medical bills and records. Doctors, it does not have to come live, and basically the process comes with us filing it. Ultimately, we submit the bills and records, and we get a trial date 3-4 months out with minimal costs to put the whole thing in and get it done. District court for $30,000 comes with risk. We may, in fact, be able to get it done in the district court, but at that number, it also gives the defendants, the other side, the opportunity to plead a jury trial or move it to the circuit court. So in other words, $30,000 cases don't necessarily get done in that same short time period. That can get kicked up to the circuit court, which is trial court, which means the process goes on for about 6 months to a year. All other cases, serious injury cases, cases with big medicals, cases where we feel we really should put it in front of a jury, $75,000 or over is what you sue for. You don't have to list the exact amount. You basically say $75,000 or more. And it goes into what's called the circuit court. It is a process in the circuit court. The other side can depose you, bring you into a conference room like this, ask questions. Ultimately, you have to bring your doctors live at trial. In other words, there's an expense involved in that. Doctors have to be paired. Doctors lose half a day of work, so they get paid. And then you go generally to a pretrial conference if it can't work out. You then have a jury trial, which in most cases cannot get done in a day, whereas a district court case can get done in a couple hours.